This session where we will be discussing about your project ad space research and how you were a key asset for fresher ranks. You managed to complete this project and also your feedback regarding it. So let's start off with if you could just tell something about yourself in 2-3 lines, and with that continue to what was your project reflection and understanding. What did you understand via this ad space research project?
Uh, Hello, myself is Sorisasur. I am currently pursuing my MBA in marketing from ISWBM Kolkata. I done my graduation in BSc in Hotel and Hospitality Administration from IHM Taratala itself. So about the live project experience review, about that batch free, which I joined through Talent Synergy. Participating in the ad space and market competitor research live project organized by the Talent Synergy for batch free was enriching and insightful experience. The project focused on analyzing the advertising strategies and market positioning of the leading HR and job search companies. Over the course of the project, I gained practical exposure to 1. Conducting a competitor analysis of the key players in HR tech and job portal industry. Researching about company ad spending patterns, platform used. For this, I use the Google and also other social medias and also other companies' website insights like LinkedIn, Naukri, and other companies and content strategies. Secondly, identifying the emerging trends in digital marketing and audience targeting specific to recruit platforms. And the last and foremost thing that I learned from here, the structure in presenting data in a way that supports the actionable insight for business growth man. I particularly appreciated the real world relevance of the task as well as the collaborative team based environment. Thank you Satakshi ma'am for helping me whenever I feel stuck, and also thanks to Abhinandan sir for helping me out also when I am stuck there. As a and it can give me a clear understanding of the how market research translate to strategic marketing decision for B2C HR platforms.
What task did you find most challenging and how did you tackle it, like in your project? And when you were using these tools, like taking screenshots, Excel, so did you feel confident, or how was your way around
I
those
feel
two things?
confident, ma'am. At first, I was a little bit confused what to and what not to do. But according to project guidelines and with your help, I actually overcome these things and learn how to do the things in a corporate way and how to do the things in strategically or actually in a way that it can be accepted in a corporate world.
Uh, from this research, what do you believe is the most useful for batteries B2C ad space strategy? Or for whatever was your research, what do you think will be most useful?
One key insight there is that the job seekers are highly active on platforms like LinkedIn and other platforms. What for I think batch free offers many things which other platform doesn't, and batch free has a very economical rate. People don't know batch free very well, but for batch free, I think focusing on a content driven strategy that showcases success stories, career tips, and company culture through those channels can build strong brand trust and engagement. Additionally, investing in mobile optimized programmatic ads with clear cats can improve reach and conversation among active job seekers.
So, Paul, what was your experience in this entire process of ad space research? Your the project that you did. How was your experience with the project, with the team, with our company, with fresher ranks and batch free? How was the overall experience of yours?
It was a very pleasant experience. Through this project, I gained a deeper understanding of how competitive and fast evolving the B2C ad space industry is. especially in the HR tech and job search sector. I learned how brands strategically use platforms. I also understand the growth and importance of programmatic advertising, mobile first strategies, and data driven audience segmentation. This project also give me a exposure to how a corporate world actually works. And Batchtree and Talent Synergy people are very helpful to me through whole this project. Whenever I feel stuck, I can actually consult with you, or Abhinandan sir is also there to help. In the both of the two review meetings, we actually have a very good conversation. So I think I'll in future, if I get a chance with Batchtree, I'll like to work again.
That's amazing. So, Auritrut, we thank you a lot from FresherRanks, the project which was launched, and from Battery and Talent Synergy, all the three these things that you went through with this, and you liked our project and you are ready to do more projects with Battery. That is great. So, we would love to have you on board again with us. And with that, we come to a conclusion today. So, is there anything else
Thank
that
you.
you would like to add? Any suggestions for any of your other batchmates that would want to join in, with us for such kind of research project?
It will be a very great experience for them as well. And I'll definitely recommend my other friends for also who are in basically also in HR, because Batchtree and Talent Synergy mostly a HR tech company who are actually thinking about the future. So I think with this they can do a very they can learn many things, because as a marketing student I learn many things. So if the company is more about HR techs, so they will also learn many things and they will can go beyond the industry, because Batchtree has many things to offer. And I think Batchtree will do great if they work on little bit on their marketing strategies. I think that.
Very true. We hope to continue our further collaboration and we will keep you posted. Thank you.
Thank, thank you, ma'am.